Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a Box. I got a question for you. You got a driver that's on a 5-day run, and this happens with their ELD tablet. What do? Do you just tell the driver to go try to find a local AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile store and drive their truck in there and try to get a new tablet? Is that conducive, or is that going to make that driver happy or help your driver turnover stats? No, not at all. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to put a company like Integrated Communications in charge of your ELD tablets, and on day 3 of that 5-day run, we're going to ship a tablet overnight ready to go to the Pilot Flying J or the Travel Center or the Sheetz gas station or the UPS store or to the next delivery point, so that driver can use Paperlogs just one day and their new tablet is waiting for them. That's what you're going to do, because that is the best move that you can make when managing your tablets. Thank you so much for watching.